Bruh, I'm gonna cry. I didn't have my mic plugged in the entire time. Anyway, hi. It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. It's gonna be super realistic. I'm not gonna change up anything. Also, if my eyebrows look funny, I got them microbladed a few days ago and they're currently in the healing process. So that's why, like, do you see? They're like kind of dark, but it's gonna take a few weeks for it to go back to normal. It's currently 9:13 a.m. Usually in the morning, first thing I will make myself a coffee, and I don't typically eat until lunch because my body just does not like food in the morning. Like if I eat something, I'll just get nauseous. And I'm trying to listen to my body more because I've had a pretty bad relationship with food for like almost all my life. I've been trying to heal my relationship. That means listening to my body more about what it needs, what it wants, and letting it have whatever, and making sure I feel good in the process. So anyway, let's go make that coffee. Actually, first thing I need to do is open these blinds because it's so friggin' dark in my apartment. Beautiful. Now I actually have light. Let me change into my contacts because I can't see anything. I'm gonna set you down right here. That's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Just give me a second, okay? Yay, I have my I have my contacts on. Do you guys want to see what I'm wearing? This is what I wear every single day. Hoodie and sweats. Okay, let me get my slippers. Dude, I'm literally the most forgetful person. Let's go to the kitchen. I showed you guys how I make my coffee in my last video, in one of the other videos, but I'm gonna show you how I do it again. Oh, this is the coffee machine that I use. It's from DeLonghi. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the one I use. All right, the beans that I use are, well, they're not beans, ground coffee, because I don't have a bean grinder. So I use Pete's French Roast. I just put it in this mason jar with a little spoon inside so I can scoop it into the thing. And then I use oat milk from Oatly. This is just the regular one. Cinnamon from Sprouts. And, oh, yes, my Torani French vanilla. I'm running out. I need to get another one. Let's make our coffee. Okay, I'm gonna microwave this really quick. While the milk is microwaving, I am going to put my coffee inside here. So after my coffee's in here, I'm gonna like tamp it down. Milk's done, it's all heated up. So I'm gonna show you how I froth. I'm so bad at this. So this is the milk. Oh my god. Ah, the bubbles are too big. Bro, why are there so many bubbles? Okay, whatever. I need to learn how to froth correctly. Listen, all the baristas are gonna come for me. This is just not okay. I'm sorry. Like, what is that? Okay, someone told me that like, you can like go like this and get the bubbles out. Also, you like go like this, I think. Wait, oh my god, okay, that looks so much better, right? Let's get back onto this. So I'm gonna set this aside for now. So don't mind my dirty counter, okay? Okay, so I put this here. Once this light turns green, I just press it. So this is made. It's way bigger than the shot, but like, I don't wanna waste all the coffee, so I just kind of pour a lot until it runs clear. So I put like, oops, one, and then like a half. I'll add more if I want it sweeter later. I'm really forgetful today for some reason. I totally forgot to add cinnamon. I put hella cinnamon. And the foam is a little too bubbly. It's fine. I used to drink coffee with like fruit in the morning, but I don't know, when I eat that now, it gives me a stomachache, so I stopped drinking fruit with like coffee and tea. And I think my, like, I don't know, I feel like those just don't go well together in my stomach. Hi y'all, okay, I have my makeup on because I washed my hair, I did my makeup. I'm literally starving. I just had a meeting and we're gonna eat lunch now, so let's go do that. I'm honestly not sure what I want to eat today. I have like eggs, watermelon. Okay, I figured out what I'm gonna eat. So I have some bok choy that I need to stir fry, and then I'm gonna add eggs, and then I think I'm just gonna have like microwave rice because I don't want to make like a whole pot of rice, so I just have this like microwavable rice thing. And then I have leftover salmon mayo, like the salmon avocado rice bowl thing, and then I'll have some kimchi. I'll usually just kind of break up the rice. Break up the egg, so mix it with my rice and eat it. This is basically the comfort food that I was talking about in the Q&A, except there's no Spam. So if you want to make it, you just do exactly this and then cut up Spam, fry it, and put it on top. I'm eating on this table and I don't like it because usually I eat on my bed, so I think I'm gonna go eat on my bed.
It's my little setup. I always eat on this like blanket thing. This blanket's like my floor/food blanket, so I don't really care if it gets dirty. Gilmore Girls, as usual.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna go eat my food. See ya for a snack maybe later. Okay, so I just finished filming some content and I'm getting a little hungry, so I'm gonna have a little snack. I think I cut up some watermelon a few days ago, so I'm gonna have that. Yay. I love watermelon. So good. Still watching Gilmore Girls. I think I'm gonna do some work. I think I'm gonna do some work on my laptop while I'm watching. I have some freelance work to do. That's due tonight, and I gotta get started on that. I'll probably eat, I don't know, usually for dinner, I won't eat until I'm hungry. I don't like to set times for myself to eat. I just eat when I'm hungry. So we'll see. Hi y'all. So it's currently 7:15 p.m. I'm feeling a little snacky after that watermelon, so I'm gonna eat some chips while I do some work on my laptop. After, we're definitely gonna eat dinner, hopefully. I'm really bad at eating dinner because, I don't know, it's like the end of the day, I don't have energy to make anything. So usually I'll eat like ramen, but we'll see, because I still have some work to do. And for now, we're gonna be eating these chips. I got these yesterday at H Mart and they're like kind of really good. O-Tube sweet chili flavored. They're like fries. See? It's a really good texture. Like, I really love the texture. It's like airy and like crispy and crunchy. Okay, so I just finished all my work on my laptop and it's currently 10:24. I didn't eat dinner yet, so I'm gonna make something really quick. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't even have rice or like, okay, I don't know. I'm like not that hungry, but I also am hungry. I kind of want like ramen. See, I always do this. I always make ramen when I'm like stuck. Maybe I'll do like rice. Maybe I'll do rice on eggs again, or eggs on rice again. I'll do 2 eggs on my rice and eat that with kimchi. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I can't be eating ramen like 10 times in a row.
I got this from H Mart. It's pretty good.
You just open it until this line. Then I'm gonna microwave it for 2 minutes. Eggs. Oh my god. It's a show. Ow. 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 The eggs are done, and then I'm gonna just put them on top of my rice. I normally don't make so much microwave rice, but I've just been busy and I don't want to make like a whole thing. I hope the yolk didn't cook through. Also, don't use a spatula because it's just too many dishes to wash. Oh, I accidentally popped the yolk, but it's fine. Yay. I'm thinking maybe I'll add like furikake for like the effect of making it fancier. You know what I mean? Just like doesn't that just look so much better? Like that just looks like a real meal now. Seasoning sauce as usual. That's my meal. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So you know what the most tragic thing is? Is that while I was busy taking pictures of the meal for the thumbnail, the yolk hardened. So it's not even runny anymore. Girl, that's not me. Girl, that's not me. I posted a reel with that sound today. Boo. I took off all my makeup. I finished dinner, took off all my makeup. I'm gonna end the day with, you guessed it, Gilmore Girls. I'm gonna eat a little sweet snack. I have my choco pie. Oh, choco pie? And usually I microwave it for like 10 seconds so it like puffs up and it's really good and like gooey and yummy. Do you see that? Amazing. And it tastes so good. Gilmore Girls. It's currently 12:40 a.m. It's time for me to go to sleep, so this is gonna conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed, you know, seeing what foods I eat. I would say this is like a very typical at-home kind of day. Next time I plan on filming a what I eat in a week. I want to show you guys some foods that I eat out, and I also go to like a lot of cafes and stuff, and so that'd be really cool to show you guys and recommend some really good coffee places. But yeah, anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram and TikTok as usual. I'll see you next time. Bye. Girl, that's not me.